Well, good evening, everybody. This is Deep Creek in Deep Creek Canyon, and the water is running fast. You can see that it is murky here, and that's because we've got water coming down from the Deep Creek burn scar from about a year ago. What a difference a year can make. Of course, last year at this time, we were dealing with that Deep Creek fire blowing up here east of Townsend, thousands and thousands of acres burned. Well, now we've got a different issue. A flash flood watch has been issued for this area, for the Deep Creek burn scar, but also the Woods Creek burn scar up into the Big Belt Mountains. Flash flooding, meaning flooding that can happen very fast. We had some thunderstorms come through, some rain here over the past 24 hours. Well, after the fires, the composition of the soil changes. You no longer have the grasses and the bushes and the trees that soak up the rainwater. So heavy rain flows very, very quickly down these burnt slopes and down into the rivers and the creeks here, which is why we've got a flash flood watch for this area through tonight into tomorrow. So the Deep Creek burn scar area, the Woods Creek burn scar area, but if you're going to be around any of the other burn scars from last year's wildfire season, say the Divide Mountain Complex, which is up into the Little Belt Mountains, or the Harris Mountain Fire, southern Cascade County, the soil from the burn scars, very, very different, and water will run very, very rapidly and very readily over those areas, and flooding can happen very, very quickly. So once again, flash flood watch continues for this area in the Deep Creek burn scar, and then also the Woods Creek burn scar into tomorrow morning, the first day of summer. Up in Deep Creek Canyon along Deep Creek here, I'm Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenitz, and now you're a little more weather-wise.